Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to upload Micropython firmware in ESP-32. If you not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. First download the Micropython firmware file for ESP-32. Select your board generic ESP-32 module. If you're beginner, select the latest stable firmware version. You can also download the older versions. The download link is in description below. Now download the Python IDE to upload the firmware in ESP-32. The download link is in description below. Install the Python IDE. Open the IDE and follow me. First you have to install the ESP tool plugins. Open Tools, then open Manage Plugins. Search ESP tool and install. I already installed it. Open Tools again, go to Options, go to Interpreter. Select Micropython ESP-32. Select the serial port where ESP-32 connected. If you not connect your board, then connect it. Select the port. Click on Install or Update Firmware. Again select same port. Browse the firmware.bin file which we already downloaded. Select the checkbox Erase Flash before install. Click on Install. Press and hold the boot button on ESP-32 module until the installation starts.